it will deflate a little bit, and more air will go to the outer layer.
Dış katman kesilirse dış katman
But
dalgalanır.
the worst is if it is cut the outer layer, it will deflate a little bit because so there are difference distance between the layers. So but inside will be strong.
1 metre kesilmeyle bir şey olmaz. 3-4 metre, 3-5 metre kesilmez.
Just 1 meter cut, nothing will happen. But 3 or 4 meters cut, it will affect. Of course, when you see it something like that, first look, understand why it's happened, and with speed, repair it. Repair it with heat machine. Şeyimizi gösterelim, cihazımızı gösterelim ona. Heat. This is our heat machine.
And the floor.
Yeah, heat machine. This has a special one. This is this one is Leicester. This is professional, but you can buy more for people and more home usage or something. When it's gone, we make it. For example, here we put it down like that. The boys know it, and
Okay. So when you heat it from the bottom,
yes,
and you roll it on top,
cable here, cable here.
By the time you roll it,
Let us show you.
But it must be deflate.
Okay, so to do this, you have to deflate it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can't do it while it's
like this. We can do it. Okay, you do it. First, it is getting hot because it will get time to cool. Go. Let me. You make it. Yeah. Go. Okay.
Daru.
Hey, that's good. Sedikit juga loh. No. Wait. It's not hot. Helemaal hard. Same. Pakistani. More slowly. Not hot. Good.
It's okay, I understand that.
You understand? Okay.